The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to redefine expectations in the high-end smartphone market, boasting cutting-edge features that cater to tech enthusiasts and photography lovers alike. Scheduled to launch in February 2025, shortly after the Chinese New Year, this flagship device is anticipated to deliver an unparalleled user experience. At its core, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to feature a revolutionary quad-camera system, highlighted by a 50MP main sensor and an impressive 200MP periscope telephoto lens offering 4.3x optical zoom, making it a game-changer for long-distance photography. The smartphone will also showcase a 6.7-inch OLED LTPO display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, it is rumored to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, providing the performance needed for demanding applications and multitasking. Powering the device is a robust 6,000 mAh battery, complemented by 90W wired and 80W wireless fast charging capabilities, ensuring minimal downtime. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra will also debut HyperOS 2.0, based on Android 15, offering an intuitive interface and enhanced AI features. With its launch expected to coincide with the Mobile World Congress 2025, this smartphone is poised to be a strong contender in the market, particularly excelling in its photographic and performance capabilities.